All right, guys, this is video 2 for real quick here for the May 13th break for football. 1 box of certified and 1 triple threads. And we'll just go to the list real quick here and show you. There you go. Okay, we'll continue. Still got 2 hits. Real quick recap of the hits first. We got Greg Little jersey card for the Browns. And we've got a Steve Young for the 49ers jersey. Okay, so we've still got, what, 5 packs left and 2 hits at least. So, if not more, hopefully. All right, guys. Brandon LaFell for the Panthers. We've got a certified mirror red of Lewis Murphy for the Raiders. And that is numbered 206 of 250. Put that up here. We got a certified potential of Mikel Lashore for the Lions. And that is numbered 419 out of 999. Okay. Filler card. Hakeem Nicks for the Giants. And Charles Woodson for the Packers. Okay, we got Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. Nate Washington for the Titans. And we've got a blue Michael Turner for the Falcons. We have a hit in here too. Let me pull these from the back here. We've got C.J. Spiller for the Bills. Mike Thomas for the Jaguars. Back to the Michael Turner for the Falcons. Let me see. That is a blue, 43 of 100. Okay. And the hit, guys, old school Jets, Don Maynard. Whoa, autographed jersey. Ah, that's sick. Who got the Jets? D.L. Maynard. Hey, of all things, huh? Heck yeah, that's a nice one. Let me try and get the better look here. That is sick. Don Maynard goes to D.L. Maynard. Nice. That's cool. Number 13. Nice looking autograph. There we go. Don Maynard autograph. Sick looking card. And that is numbered, guys, 22 of 25. Nice. Yeah, you chose the Bucks, huh? Could have had the Jets. All right. Nice looking hit. Wow. Cool card. All right. We still got 1 more hit, guys. 3 packs, 1 more hit left. Okay, we've got Marquise Colston for the Saints. And Ndamukong Suh for the Lions. And we've got a Matt Forte Bears blue. Numbered 81 of 100. Okay. Filler card. We've got Noshawn Marino for the Broncos. And Tim Hightower for the Redskins. Okay, 2 packs left. 1 more hit, guaranteed. Okay, we've got Michael Vick for the Eagles. Steven Jackson for the Rams. And we've got a new generation Aaron Williams for the Bills. And that is numbered 326 of 999. Filler card. Matt Schaub for the Texans. And D'Angelo Williams for the Panthers. All right. Last pack, guys. Should have the last hit. It better. Okay, Tony Moeaki for the Chiefs. Jermaine Gresham for the Bengals. And we do have our last hit in here. Let me pull these from the back. Brandon Marshall for the Dolphins. Mario Manningham for the Giants. And we've got a blue for the Falcons, Jason Snelling. And that is numbered 33 of 100. And our final hit, guys, for the Cowboys, DeMarco Murray patch. Nice looking. Yeah, there is a lot of numbered cards in this one. That is 247 of 250. Sorry, let that focus in there. There we go. DeMarco Murray. All right, Huffy Ken got his Cowboy hit. Cool looking. All right. So quick recap, guys, for the hits for the first box were certified. We just saw it, DeMarco Murray patch for the Cowboys. Greg Little for the Browns patch, certified potential. Steve Young, fabric of the game for the Niners. And the way sick hit right here, Don Maynard for the Jets, autographed jersey, old school, 23 of 25. 22 of 25, sorry. Nice looking. Okay, let me put these up here and we'll get going on the next one. Okay, we'll just pull this one right here, guys. First mini box of triple threads, all sealed up. No, I don't. All right, guys, good luck. First box, here we go. Let's pull something sick here. Okay, guys, empty box. Here's the pack. Sorry, empty box. Huh? All right, guys, here we go. First hit. Matthew Stafford for the Lions. Number 263. 163, sorry, of 250. Sorry. Okay, for the Lions. For the Vikings, we've got Percy Harvin. Excuse me, sorry, guys. Percy Harvin, and that is numbered 845 out of 999. Jerry Rice for the Niners, and that is numbered, let's get that in there. Come on.
Just a little bit further back.
A little farther back. There we go. Okay, 69 out of 999. Ahmad Bradshaw for the Giants. 449 out of 999. Big Ben for the Steelers. Ben Roethlisberger. That is numbered 216 out of 300. Okay, guys. First hit. Shane Vereen for the Patriots. Autographed jersey. Who's got the Patriots? Glenn Macker. Okay. Not me, huh? Shane Vereen, and that, guys, is numbered. Ooh, there's an eBay 101 there. 25 of 25. Nice looking card. Okay. And the next hit, guys. Andre Caldwell for the Bengals. Look at this number, guys. 2 out of 3. Oh, let me scoot that back. Who's got the Bengals? CWKA. Wow. Sorry, can let this damn thing focus in here. There we go. 2 out of 3. Andre Caldwell for the Bengals. Jersey. That's nice. That's cool looking. Wow. 2 out of 3. Nice. Okay. All right, guys. Last box. Here we go. All sealed up. We got a minute and a half. Okay, let us pause. We're going to pause it real quick again, guys.